Struggling with two-part epoxy to make your fake rivets? Here's an easier way. Whoops. I've been using two-part epoxy rivets in my tutorials ever since my original top hat video 13 years ago. Problem is, some folks struggle to get a good result, like Tom. His solution was UV resin, and I figured why not try it out? So I did. I grabbed a 30 milliliter kit of Let's Resin UV resin. It comes with the resin and a rechargeable UV light to cure the resin. I'm gonna try it out on a new version of my original steampunk top hat. Alright, one of the benefits of this type of resin is you don't have to mix two parts together. That means you can just squeeze it right out of the bottle onto your project. It also means you're not going to waste any glue by having it cure before you have a chance to use it. One small negative is you sometimes get a little air bubble in there when you first turn over the tube and start squeezing. Because of this, whenever I need to set the tube down for a bit, I like to place it upside down. That keeps the glue in the nozzle and there's less likelihood for more air bubbles. Once you feel like you've made enough rivets to keep you happy for a while, it's time to pull out the little flashlight. Its job is to shoot out rays of magical UV light, and the little bits of magic in the light hardens the epoxy. Some would say there's science involved in this, but I don't know. Probably just magic. Also, quick tip, I like to mark where my rivets are gonna go beforehand. That way I don't have to think while I'm squeezing out the epoxy. You also get the free bonus of it looking like there's a bunch of little eyeballs staring at you. Another tip is you can get a larger UV light if you want to cover more area than the little flashlight. You can also use the sun. That's full of UV too. Using the flashlight, it only really takes a few seconds. If you're going to use a different light or leave it in the sun, it'll take a fair bit longer. And that's really all I have to say. You might find that different resin brands have different viscosities. I was really happy with the thickness of the Let's Resin resin, but I would love to hear from you in the comments if you have a resin brand that is working well for you. Share it and everyone will be happy. Now go rivet up a top hat. Thanks for watching. See ya! Struggling with two-part epoxy to make your fake rivets? Here's an easier way.